In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save templates in MetaTrader 5. If you use the same chart setup again and again, saving a template can save you a lot of time. A template lets you keep your preferred indicators, drawing tools, and chart colors so you can quickly apply the same layout whenever you need it. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you're inside MT5, open any chart you want to work with. This can be any market or time frame because the main goal here is to prepare the chart exactly the way you like it. Next, customize the chart with your preferred setup. Add the indicators you normally use, place any drawing tools you want to keep as part of your layout, and adjust the color scheme so the chart is easy for you to read. This is an important step because the template will reflect the appearance and tool setup you create here. If you have a style you use for trend analysis, scalping, or longer term trading, now is the time to build it. Once your chart looks the way you want, right-click anywhere inside the chart window. In the menu that appears, hover over Template, then select Save Template. This is the fastest way to save your current chart layout. There's also another way to reach the same option. If you prefer using the top menu, go to Charts, then choose Template, and then click Save Template. This does exactly the same thing, so you can use whichever method feels more convenient. After that, a save window will appear. Type a descriptive file name for your layout, then click Save. Try to use a name that clearly tells you what the template is for. For example, you might name it based on a strategy, a time frame, or a visual style. Keeping the name clear will make it easier to find later, especially if you create several templates over time. And that's it. Your template is now saved in MetaTrader 5. This makes it much easier to stay consistent across charts and speed up your workflow since you won't need to rebuild the same setup manually each time. A good habit is to save a new version whenever you make meaningful changes to your chart layout. That way, you can keep your preferred setups organized and ready to use whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.